Chapter 12. Great Personalities of India. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist and the 11th President of India. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work in developing India's missile programs. He inspired many young people to dream big and work hard. He believed that education and hard work are the keys to success. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a famous poet and painter. He wrote the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. He was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. His works include poems, songs, and plays that are still loved today. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a brave freedom fighter known as Netaji. He fought for India's independence from British rule. He gave the famous slogan Jai Hind to inspire Indians. He led the Indian National Army, INA, to fight for freedom. M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain was a famous Indian artist known for his colorful paintings. He painted horses, people, and scenes from Indian life. His art was inspired by Indian culture and traditions. He is known as the Picasso of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He fought for the rights of the poor and untouchables. He worked hard to make India a fair and equal country. He was also known as Baba Sahib. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was a poet and a freedom fighter. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress. She is known as the Nightingale of India for her beautiful poetry. She inspired many women to fight for their rights. Amartya Kumar Sen. Amartya Kumar Sen is a famous Indian economist. He received the Nobel Prize in Economics for his work on poverty and welfare. His ideas helped improve the lives of poor people. He has written many books on economics and human rights. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-American astronaut to go to space. She was very brave and loved flying. She traveled to space on the Space Shuttle Columbia. She became an inspiration for young girls who dream of becoming astronauts.